Hello and welcome back to Exotic Kits, your one-stop shop for replicas, kit cars and body kits. Welcome back to Series 1 Episode 4 of our new co-part series. Today a new beast came up for auction. An awesome 2016 Ferrari 488 with only 838 miles on the clock. This car has been professionally repaired to a very high standard. The 488 came up for sale previously in March 2017. With some pretty bad front end damage, both front and side airbags were deployed.
Sun come up, ganja smoking, they got rum in me cup. Bad gals wind up on the dance floor. All the gals wind up on the dance floor.
It has now been repaired and relisted with a retail value of £266,000. The car is on bid at £80,000. Let's see what they value this car for on WeBuyAnyCar.com. Okay, so the price they would pay due to the Cat D status is £118,300. So what do you think you would pay for this Cat D Ferrari 488?
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. Join our Facebook group, Exotic Kits Replicas Kit Cars and Body Kits, for a shout out Friday.